Welcome back to One Humble Acre. I'm Amanda, and in this week's video, we're going to be cooking goose eggs. We were gifted these two geese back here, Lucy and Ethel, we named them, and I thought it'd be fun to share how we've been cooking up their giant eggs. It's springtime and these geese are laying a bunch of eggs. Their eggs are equivalent to 3 chicken eggs, so we had to figure out some fun ways to cook them up. Next up, we're gonna make a goose egg omelet. We have our goose egg here, we have some shredded cheese, and we have some fresh pico, some butter, and then our standard seasonings that I always use. This is onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. They say the key to a really good omelet is to make sure the egg is very whipped. Once you whip your egg, melt some butter in your cast iron skillet and add the whipped egg. Once you're a few minutes into cooking, add your seasonings. I used onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Once your omelet is almost done cooking, it's time to add your shredded cheese and pico. This was about 7 minutes in for me. It could probably have gone a couple minutes longer. As you can see, it was hard for me to get out of the pan. This omelet was so delicious and by far our favorite way to eat goose eggs. For our breakfast burritos, I've got the goose eggs. And then these are some potatoes that were going bad, and I had fried them up and froze them. They have green chilies in them. And then some shredded cheese and our tortillas from Imperfect, and then some hot sauce will probably go on top. I fried the egg like any other, melted some butter in my cast iron skillet, put the egg in, and then I seasoned with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and then I put it on some avocado toast. Next up, we made some deviled eggs. So with most farm fresh eggs, what I do is boil the water first and then gently place the eggs into the boiling water and boil them for 25 minutes. I found that the key to farm fresh eggs is the ice bath. It makes peeling so much easier. An easy way to get the filling into the egg is to put it in a baggie and cut a hole in the corner and then just squeeze it in. That's all we have for you this week. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more adventures from our One Humble Acre.